Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the RMMM plan, that is Risk Mitigation, Monitoring and Management Plan. So before we begin that, we need to understand the risk management process. As you can see here in the figure, you first need to identify all the risks. I'm speaking with respect to the left hand side top, risk identification. You need to identify all possible risks. So you can prepare list of potential risks. You also need to analyze, like for example, you analyze there are 20 risks for your project. You analyze those risks. Means you need to find out the probability of each of the risks. You need to figure out the impact of each of the risks. Then you can do the risk prioritization. As you can see below the risk analysis, you can see the prioritized risk list. Sort of these 20 risks which are with respect to my project. I may have 5 risks which are having more impact factor, which are having high probability, so they are in the priority list. Then I need to plan. After the risk analysis, I have to do the risk planning, in which I will consider if at all the risk becomes reality, if at all the risk occurs, then what are the steps that I'm going to take to handle that risk. Why I'll study this, why I need to focus on all this, so that if at all the risk occurs in the future, I can avoid the risk. That is why you can see that block below the risk planning, that is risk avoidance and contingency plans. After that, I'm going to monitor my risks. There are some risks which are currently available or alive, or currently they are very highly probable, but maybe after some time the risk does not remains equally probable. I mean, for example, in rainy season you have chances of slipping while walking or while driving on two-wheeler, but on other seasons that particular risk probability decreases automatically. Similarly, the same thing we can apply on our project. Some risks are quite probable at a given point of time. The same risk may not be that much highly probable at another given point of time.